Let's work out more exercises by simplifying the conversion of decimal to fractions.
Show me how to do it.
Decimal to fraction and simplify. Introduction. Let's convert the decimal number 0.5 to a fraction. The numerator is 5. We have one digit after the decimal point. For the denominator, we write 1 and place 1 0. So 0.5 is equal to 5 by 10. We simplify a fraction by simple division. 5 divides 5 once and 5 divides 10 two times. So 0.5 is equal to 1 by 2 after simplification. Let's convert the decimal number 1.4 to a fraction. The numerator is 14. We have one digit after the decimal point. For the denominator, we write 1 and place 1 0. So 1.4 is equal to 14 by 10. Let's simplify this by simple division. 2 divides 14 7 times and 2 divides 10 5 times. So 1.4 is equal to 7 by 5 after simplification. So buddy, did you get it?
Oh, I did. Can't wait to practice more.